Today we're presenting the PowerMan ABS. The PowerMan ABS takes UPS bypass technology to the next level. Although most UPSs today have their own built-in bypass switch, this will only help in the event of a UPS failure and will allow the load to bypass domains so the customer can continue working. However, the UPS is still wired directly to the mains and the load, and is the only connection between the two. The customer will then call out the UPS technician to service the machine. Once the technician arrives on site, the UPS needs to be tested and repaired. The safest way to do this is to remove the UPS from circuit so the computers will not be affected while working on the UPS. In order to do this, the UPS and the computers running from them will need to be shut down. In a busy environment like a supermarket or fast food business, downtime is at a premium and is usually very early in the morning before the business opens or late at night after it has closed. The waiting period has many drawbacks. Extra costs are incurred from the UPS repair technicians as they will charge at overtime rates. Your staff will claim overtime as they will have to be on site to open or close the business once the work is done. Your computer equipment and data are at risk of damage should there be any power issues while you are waiting for the service to the UPS. The PowerMan ABS alleviates these problems and is the first unit of its kind in the world for single-phase applications. The PowerMan ABS allows the technicians to isolate the UPS from the computer equipment without switching the computers off. Remove the UPS from circuit, repair it and return it to the circuit and put it back online without disconnecting the business at all. Stephen will now demonstrate how the unit works. If we zoom into the machine, step 1, you will see that the UPS at the bypass box is running in UPS mode. The UPS will now be switched into load on mains mode with a single button. You'll see from the LEDs that it's changed. If we draw back, see that the UPS and the load are still running. The UPS can now be removed from the circuit by disconnecting the power cords. Power cords have been removed, and as you see, the load has not been affected. The UPS is actually now running as if it's had a power failure. Okay, the UPS can then be removed from site or serviced on site. Once it has been completed, the UPS is moved back into position and reconnected to the bypass box. See if you can move back to position. And the cables are reconnected. The UPS is now back online with the mains coming into it. Reset the UPS, you'll see that the bypass box is still in bypass mode and the lights are still on. We'll now switch the bypass box back into UPS mode. You see that the load has not changed. It's still running without break, and we're now running back from the UPS again. Another benefit of this machine is that should the UPS fail, the bypass box will continue running the load and will just transfer automatically. We'll remove now the output cable from the UPS. We'll see the load is carried on running, and the unit is automatically switched into the running UPS on mains, or load on mains. If we now plug back in, Stephen will do, the unit detects the UPS and switches back on automatically, and the load is unaffected.